What is up, guys? Welcome back to God&Food family. So today we'll be making Vetkoek together. Vetkoek, it is a traditional South African delicacy. It is like a fried dough, but it has a real nice texture to it. First thing first, we're going to add 300 grams of all-purpose flour into an empty bowl, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of yeast into the flour. Since I'm using instant yeast, I don't have to pre-dissolve them with warm water. But if you are using dry active yeast, you have to pre-dissolve them with warm water. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then approximately 5 grams of oil into flour mixture. And now we're going to gradually add our water into the flour mixture because we're going to start making our dough. Once again, if you feel like your dough is getting a little bit dry, gradually add more water into it. You don't want to add too much water at once, otherwise you're probably gonna end up with a batter for fried fish. Once your dough has become smooth on the surface, you want to cover it with a wet towel and you want to let it rise in a warm room for 1 to 2 hours until it has doubled in size, like what I'm showing right here. Roll the dough into a long log, and then we're going to cut them into small but equal pieces. And then all you gotta do is you want to make the dough as round as possible. And then you want to set them aside for another 30 minutes, let the yeast do the work, let the yeast rise the dough up. And after 30 minutes, this is what I got right here. They look gorgeous, right? And then it is time for us to fry the dough. We're going to fry our Vetkoek on high heat for approximately 4 minutes per side. Depends on how hot your stove gets, it might take longer or it might take shorter. But ultimately what you're looking for is you're looking for this real nice golden brown color on your Vetkoek, like what I have right here. Once that is done, simply remove your Vetkoek from the oil and then let it cool down a little bit before we slice them open. Now all we gotta do is fill them up with whatever filling of your choice. Now I've also made a separate video for this Chinese beef filling for the Vetkoek. If you're interested, I have linked the video in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.